Welcome to the Room Makeover Series, presented by Square One and Grapevine Designs. This is the final part of the Reimers project. I'm your host, Monica. Let's go see the transformation. This is pretty much the day everything needs to be put in. It's fascinating to see how this community has come together to support this family and give them the beautiful new first floor of their house. It's gonna be a beautiful, heartfelt day on Friday, and I cannot wait for it. I need a coat of paint on this to kind of finish that up, but looks like the light strips are ready to go, so this is gonna be all nice and lit soon. Look at their drink fridge. I'm so jealous. We got the handles on. Look, these are nice. Looks like we still got some outlets to finish. More crazy amounts of storage space. This whole island is full of storage space.
They've built this area for 2 wall ovens instead of a wall oven.
And a microwave. Oh, there's a lot going on today, a lot of moving pieces, a lot more people here, I think, than was expected. So today's gonna be another one of those solving problems, because there's always a way to solve a problem, but it's gonna be a lot of that today, I think.
What we did today was Hexon marble. It's a little delicate to install.
What do you like about tiling?
The art. This, for instance, is very tedious. Most of the time to do a perfection job, it is an art.
The rug is an 8x10 and we have a 9x12 rug pad here, so taking a foot off one side and 2 feet off the other. We have 2 distinct areas in this room because this will be a sofa and seating. So it really helps to differentiate and again make the furniture look like it's stable and not floating.
3 hexagons on either side, so good. Perfect.
Yes, you did. Thank you. Love you.
You're welcome. Love you too. Hey, you got the tread for?
Yeah.
He loves chicken strips. Chicken strips and yam fries. That's his thing. Wow. Look at that. That's a bit of a change. Wow, look at that. Towel guys. Nice. Good. La la. Look at this. Very nice.
We just decided to scribe our base and install after, so we get the nice hairline underneath, and that's exactly what we're kind of doing here, is just the last little tidbits and so forth, if you want to call it that.
Tidbits? You got tidbits.
I wish.
Yes.
I'm gonna damage this, and it's gonna be my fault. So we're just gonna. I am a construction person. Their dishwasher has so many settings. We've got a delicate, we've got an express 60, a rinse only, we've got a storm wash.
Storm wash? You can only use that in a storm.
High temp wash. It's got a sanitized section. I'm gonna use the storm wash. Your joke was funny. It's even got a little bar that tells you how much time is left. He lost his AirPod. Is that what you're looking for?
Yeah. It's in your shirt, isn't it? Oh yeah, he has it. It's not actually underneath the dishwasher. I'm just trying to fish the wire through.
They had us.
It's kind of funny. Walked into the room, someone's napping.
Assumed that it was all centered. Oh.
The original build of the living room is not centered.
Yeah. Okay, well, it has to be centered to light fixture.
Yeah, 100%.
So what's happening is that the light fixture isn't centered to the alcove because this ceiling piece is centered to the room, not centered to the alcove. So it's the actual build of the room itself. I'm gonna have to shift the whole dining table to make everything look symmetrical and look even.
No, don't be sorry. That's fine. It's different when furniture's in, so.
Yeah, and it just has thrown me completely off. I mean, normally I work from plans and plans ahead, right?
Yeah, exactly. No, I know. That's all good. We will move it if we have to.
If we switched it to go this way,
Yep.
then the whole center issue isn't an issue. But what's happened now isn't working.
The only thing, as soon as we twist this, we have to repair that ceiling.
To be honest, girl, this doesn't feel right, this orientation. So I think we just need to move it this way. We still might need to repair the ceiling though, yeah.
Yes. How much are we moving? I have to take down this heavy light fixture, and I need to move it over 8 or 9 inches to make it center of the table, so it looks good.
Oh, damn.
It's one thing to have the full shell built, the construction part, but I don't think you can really breathe life into a space until you can picture yourself living there. So the furniture coming in is always a huge milestone, I think, because as a person, you just can picture yourself using and living within the space.
No, don't. She's got a light right. It looks good. The height looks good. Yeah, hold on, let me just... Actually, that's pretty close. Yeah, the height. Lift up here so we do a little bit. What's the corner? It's gonna be real close. I didn't get a 1/4 inch. Oh yeah, we got like an inch, guys. Nice. We're good on there.
Thanks, Laura.
Okay, that worked out well, everybody. Well done.
See you later, pal. Thank you so much for all your help.
Yeah, no worries.
We are all done now, which is a bit of a miracle. If you asked me 3 days ago if we'd hit this date, it would have been a question mark, for sure. So it's looking really good. Now, that's gotta get fixed. I am beat. Yeah, we had a couple late nights, which turned into early mornings, and I could use a good sleep. I think they're gonna be blown away with just the total transformation. For a second. You are asking for a main floor reno, like the full main floor, kitchen, maybe front entry, maybe upstairs with trades that we don't normally use.
You can do it.
If you believe in us.
I believe in you.
So today is the big reveal day. Chris and Jody Reimer and their daughter Shay are just outside this door, and we're gonna let them in like 2 seconds. And this is their first time seeing the place, so let's let them in.
Sure.
5, 4, 3,
2,
1.
Hello. This is your new living room and dining room.
Wow.
Oh my goodness. I love this color.
I decided kind of last minute to add these tables that have an element of black. And I really like to put a little bit of black in each room to kind of ground the space. I was a little bit worried about the scale of this sofa, but by adding the tall pillows, I feel like it just brings it up enough. The idea is light, bright, happy.
Oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous.
This is Juan's beautiful handiwork.
Wow. The before and afters just are like mind warping.
We can't commend JamFab enough. The fact that they were able to pull this off in such short order is nothing less than a miracle.
It's such a showpiece of the home because when you walk in, this is what you see. I think it's understated, but really elegant.
It's a black stain rub with a wax finish. And doing that all by hand is extremely labor intensive. He was here at 4 in the morning dealing with the finish of all of this and tacking on the last little bits of railing.
I love this little spot. I knew right away this is a perfect spot for a small round table. Beautiful art, a family picture with Caleb in the picture, a great memory of Shay's graduation and happy times with Caleb.
So this is your beautiful family room. Oh my God, my friend. Wow. I love the coffee table.
That's awesome.
You're a miracle worker.
That looks so good.
I don't know what it is about an arch that makes it just so unique and welcoming.
Doing this out of drywall is no easy task, so it's something to be appreciated. Even if you close up, you can't see any of the imperfections on here. This is all a reeded front. Each of these are individual pieces that had to be stapled and glued.
This is, I think, the most stunning transformation.
In 3, 2, 1.
goodness.
This hood fan, it's a big feature and yet it's non-obtrusive. This is a statement, but it doesn't like take over the room.
There's an appliance caddy.
Yes!
I don't believe it.
Oh.
Taking the upper cabinets down was a bit of a risk, but we made up for the storage in the full heights. All this is full height and that's full height there. So you're not losing storage, but it just elevates this space. Reno Electric did all of our electrical work, and I don't work with anybody else. They're the best. MCO in Langley Ensuite did all of our plumbing fixtures for us. They provided the gold faucet and the sink.
Oh my gosh. Did you see that?
Hey, Chris, if you're pumped about that one.
Oh my goodness, Christopher.
This is really nice for all like utensils and stuff.
Actually, it feels like there's more storage with the uppers even gone. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Sorry, it's all catching up with me like.
Oh wow. It's unbelievable. Everywhere you look is just something special and cool. The staircase that JamFab did is just remarkable. I can't stop looking at it. It's stunning. It really is. Like
I cannot believe this is our
house.
home. It's so peaceful. It's not even like a little change, it's just everything. There is no favorite part. It's just all so cohesive.
It was definitely a lot more detailed than I imagined. I was kind of picturing just like a cold white room. I love the drink and coffee station. It's my favorite part. I definitely think it still feels like home, but it's just a million times better.
Oh.
The little touches that Lisa's done, you know, there's history there, and I don't think anybody could have known our hearts and our thoughts like Lisa.
I didn't really know Lisa very well prior to this, and not only have we gotten an amazing renovation, but I've made a best friend through this process, and just to get to know her heart a little bit, it just makes me love the space so much more because I know it was coming out of a genuine sense of like she really wanted to do this for our family.
We were talking that a reno like this would typically take 6 months, and
I just
we
can't.
completed it in 3.
I can't believe what you've done in 3 months.
The response from the community was so overwhelming. Fort Construction, they're young guys, it's a small company, and they went beyond.
I don't think we've ever done a project of this size this quickly. Everybody was very quick to hop on board. We were able to work kind of in tandem and synchronize everybody working in different parts of the home to basically achieve the date we did today.
I'm super glad that Chris, Jody, and Shay can move back in and start to find a new normal. And hopefully this will push them in the right direction and just give them something to look forward to.
To see the sadness, the joy, the excitement, the shock on the Reimers' faces was, I think, the biggest payoff for everyone who worked on this today, to know that it really did make a huge impact on them. I think the Reimers have a lot to take in, and all of the incredible sponsors who donated time and money and materials to this project. We say a huge thank you to you because you made a family's dream come true, and this means so, so much to them and takes one thing off their plate that they don't have to deal with. Because renovations are hard, and we did it all at once, and now they have a beautiful home.
We've had such a great community of people around us, helping us. So it'll be nice to pay it back and just have people share it with us.
We feel extremely loved through this. You know, we had a hard time being in our space. Just everything reminded us of Caleb, which is not actually a bad thing. We want to say his name and we want to keep him alive. And I think that was one of my biggest fears, that it would be changed so much that his presence might not be here. But he just, I mean, it's impossible. He just comes with us everywhere we go. We don't want to feel distant from him, but sometimes it's hard to feel really close. I can still strangely feel Caleb here, but it's fresh. Buddy, you're still here with us and you're still a member of our family.
First and foremost, we lost a brother in the summer. Caleb Reimer, Reimer Family.
that ends the Reimers project. Thank you for watching the Room Makeover Series. Don't forget to subscribe so you're updated for future episodes. If you'd like to nominate someone for a future episode, visit squareone.ca/makeover. And if you'd like to learn more about Lisa and Grapevine Designs, visit grapevinedesigns.ca. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
So Grapevine snuck this in here, and don't tell too many people this, but if you are a client of one of ours, this bad boy you can call your own. So because it's a softer product, it actually allows for the knife to not dull in as quickly, and for your food not to basically be, this fly is annoying. Just for your food not to be, I don't want to say impregnated into the board, that's wrong. For your food not to get into the wood, 'cause it's just not sanitary. If you're cutting beets on there, you don't want that there. Please don't tell people we make those, man. I don't want to be in a cutting board business.
JamFab, those are my initials, JAM, and been doing this 20 years now. Spent a couple of years out of high school working for a family business, learning what not I wanted to do, and I went straight into trades pretty quick. This isn't just a railing for me, it's a little more personal.